I hope you're all good. I am fine on my side. So today I am taking the kids out to the beach. As you have seen on the previous clips, that we just woke up, we did the normal or the usual, went to the shops. I just ate now my bread and the coke and bonile. So now we are getting ready to go to the beach. Kushushu, like it's so hot outside, like kushushu, guys. So as much as I am not feeling 100, but guys, chance beach. The last time we were at the beach was last year December, yeah, when Awomi was 18 months. That was the last time we were at the beach. Mind you, beach is literally like, yeah, like, you know, about like 20 minutes we are corner if I'm Pazani. But because winter, I thought, let me just take them today and even Papa Geko is in Cape Town, so so let me just take my kids to the beach, so chilani payana. Then when we come back, we'll be tired and then we're going to sleep. Yeah? Guys, I've got a really terrible fever or flu, whatever you want to call it. Isfubasan is on fire, guys. Yesterday I had this terrible headache, but then at least now iphelile yona, and then I problem says isifuba and uphefumula, but ke ayizosumisa lonto le. Yeah? Another thing, guys, please, I'm still going to ask you guys, please make sure that you watch the ads, guys. If an ad like comes and then you are just like focusing, just take an ad break as well. Uhambe uyosela amanzi, wenze just something until the ad finishes playing, because I know sometimes now you're tempted to skip the ad, but please don't skip the ads. That is the only way we get to make money on YouTube. Ndiyangicela guys, ndiyangicelani, uyabo. So masambeni guys, because I am taking you guys along with me. I think sizoqalani discam for my injection, and then sihambe siye a beach. By the way, we're reminding it 29 guys, but and it's fine guys. I kind of not or anything, so I don't have to worry. Masambeni ke bethunane. Frats number frats kisana. Let us get going. Let's go get my dolls. Sithanda ukutha ususu sami. Andiphuma endlini ndingatyanga, guys. I need to eat something before we leave. Yeah, I'm ndingatyanga.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion. Why should all our past be bad? It's imbalance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars about to let us know? I'd go. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to
Come on, you got done with me.
What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you
Hey guys, so and then we are heading to a beach again. Yeah, done. And yes, zayenza njani i-cheeseboard yam xa ifuna utya ilantuza ii-chips kwangosiselapha, but ke masihambeni, let us get going.
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah.
Hey, let me show you guys what we have. This is what we are having. We got all these from Ewuli Swetu. We're having ichusi, amanzi, and then this whole pack, and then this biltong, and then izandine vese. Abantwana bambayo ngene emanzini.
I found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing. when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips. It's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels
It's okay guys if you can see me, but umntana sana akafuna wabona manzi nje besithi baby shark emanzini mama. Ngicela wonke umntana sami awami uzidlalela esantini akafuna ukwa ungene emanzini. Ngizobona lele, ngizobona form dlala esantini awomi sana akafuna ukwa ungene emanzini wami umntana. Oyika, oyika.
Finally don't get enough, finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment. face. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Oh, tshela ungahomi. Xa esoyika amanzi. Mama, masambeni siyotyani. Phofa katyi ngoku. Ngoku sithi masotyani kodwa utyi ngoku. Oh, ayisho mntana umlomo ugcwele qho. Siyatyani ne? Siyatyani. Siyatyani. Akho nto overrated. Hayi ke ngoku. What a mess ke my dog. Akho nto overrated ngathi yile. Asikhomandi tu. But ke sana xa kuthethwa ukuthi yani strawberry, yani ntontoni. Asikhomandi strawberry. Akho nto KDH. Akahamba ke KDH.
Ngifaka inyawo apha nomntana.
Iza tanam. Iza kumama. Singabantwana babeli uthi la mntana. Utheni lento usithi uxolo. Utsho kumama yakhe ulala usanofumana umuntu elwandle. We are going home, guys. Nyana mke sana. Uthi cheese endaweni ka cheese. Athi cheese, asenathi cheese. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I think this is going to be the end of it. We are going home and then as we we'll freshen up and I think sizolala. I'll be TV and then silale. See you on my next one. Bye.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run for